In front of me is Redmi A3 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by accessing Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck and install this free app called DevCheck Device and System Info. It has to be from Flare to Developer. When it's ready, open it. Then, thanks to it, learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!